Hello everyone, my name is Xiongfei Chen and this is my class project demo. My class name is Image Processing and my project name is the Research of Face Recognition Software System. So firstly is the instruction of my project demo. There are 5 parts of my project. The first one is the problem under study. The second one is the existing approaches. And the third one is a proposed new approach, and the fourth one is the performance evaluation, and the final one is the conclusion of the project demo. I will show you the project in this order. So firstly, let's begin at the first part. This is a background introduction. With the fast speed of the society development, the technology of face recognition, which is one of the hottest topics of pattern recognition and image processing, has a wide application prospect and a strong realistic need, especially in fields related to social security. So the question is, how can we implement this technology into the real life? And my answer is the development of software system based on face recognition is an important step in the spread of the technology of face recognition. So, what kind of difficulties we may meet in this process? So I think there are 4 main difficulties. So the first one is face a 3-dimensional and non-rigid surface irregularity and will change according to the change of the health condition, expression, and age. The second one is different angles and intensities of light will influence the accuracy of the measurement. The third one is because the theory of face recognition of human eyes is still not clear. Face recognition based on machine is in the stage of experiment and innovation. So the final difficulty is it includes many aspects of knowledge such as computer vision, pattern recognition, physiology, and psychology. Now is the part 2. I will introduce you the existing methods. A basic face recognition system mainly includes practice process and the recognition process. The practice process will finish the location of face, feature extraction, and the design of the sorter. The recognition process will finish the process of unknown images and the strategy for the classification of identities. So the picture on the right side is the structure of a basic system of the face recognition. There are some main parts. The first one is image input. It can be achieved through scanner, camera, and video devices. And the second one is the face location. This module will analyze the input image to judge if there's a human face in this figure. And the third one is image preprocess. The function of image preprocess is to standardize the input image and offer high quality image for the further process. Usually, this step includes scale normalize, grayscale normalization, noise reduction, light reduction, and white balance. The fourth one is feature extraction. The system will extract the features from the original image according to certain strategies and maps the original image space to a new image space. And the final step is recognition. After the process for the image input, the computer will contrast it with the image in database to get the result. Now is part 3. I will introduce you some proposed new approach. The core problem of face recognition is how to extract the face feature from the background and get the corresponding classification. And in this project, I use the Gabor feature extraction combined with the Fisher face method. So why I will choose this kind of technologies? The reason is Gabor wavelet is a good feature extraction method due to its biological relevance, but the dimension of the basis of Gabor after being filter is too high and cannot be directly used to identify the target. So we use the Fisher Face method to reduce the dimension and seek training average method for each user to get a corresponding class. The Gabor wavelength based on the face recognition is related with its biological aspect. The spatial structure of mammalian visual context simple cell receptive field can be mathematically described by Gabor function. The simple cell has no reaction to the large area of the flare, but is suitable to detect position and orientation of the edge, and has a strict selectivity. Gabor wavelength also has some good properties, such as the spatial position of choice, direction selection, frequency selection, and orthogonality. So it's fitful for image feature extraction, and in particular is used in human face recognition. This equation I show is the core equation of the Gabor wavelength. So, as you can see, this is some basic explanation for this wavelength, and I will ignore that. Now, these are some pictures that can show the result of the Gabor wavelength filter. The figure 1 represents the real part of the Gabor group, and the figure 2 shows a mode of Gabor groups. Now let's talk about the performance evaluation. In this project, I use MFC and OpenCV to implement this image process. MFC is a program frame based on C++. It offers the codes of basic management window, manual, dialog, and so on. With MFC, application developers can focus on the specific code for the project. In this system, I also use OpenCV, which is developed by Intel. OpenCV integrates some common image processing algorithms based on C++ languages, which can reduce a lot of duplications of effort in practice. And it also provides a series of highly optimized functions for a variety of image process and Intel architecture processors. So the right picture is the pattern flow of my software system. There are two main function patterns, data path pattern and the camera pattern. In the database pattern, users can choose a picture from his own computer. The picture format can be JPG, GIF, and PNG. In the camera pattern, the system will automatically open the camera of the user's computer to catch the picture. Through the input, ways are different, but image process are the same. Firstly, the system uses AddBoost method to process the input image. It's a multiple classifier method which owns a relatively fast processing speed, and its processing effect is very good in particular applications. After the basic face detection, the system will reduce the light of the image, convert it to the grayscale, and filter it with Gabor. Then the system uses Fisher Face method to equalize the picture. And finally, the system recovers the color of the image and sketches the edge of the face with red circle. So these are some pictures I capture when the software is running. The first one is the beginning picture, and the second one is a camera mode, and the third one is the picture from the local database. So as we can see, and the face can be clearly sketched. So now I will show you the program. So because of the limit of the time, I will directly show you the result of the image from the local database. So yeah, we can choose a picture from my computer and open it. Yes, and now we can see the face area can be perfectly circled. So let's come back to our picture. So let's talk about the conclusion part. The face recognition is a very useful technology in real life and has a wide application perspective. In this paper, I developed a software system of recognition based on MFC and OpenCV. This system uses Gabor feature extraction and the feature face method for face location and the feature extraction. For this software, the image can be input from local database and camera video. After the image input, the system will pre-process the image to make it fitful for the feature extraction. In the feature extraction, the system uses a method combined with the Gabor Remnant and feature face technologies, which can equalize the picture and extract the corresponding features. Finally, the software will sketch the face shape and the input image with red color to finish the recognition. And I also test the software with a large number of pictures, proving it can work very well in most cases. So this is all of my project demo. Thank you. Thanks for your watching.